Hey there YouTube, France Hopper here. It's Friday, January 22nd. Happy New Year. And we have a beautiful new box design on the first Maido in a box of the year. And yes, I finally got a haircut. Let's open this up. So before I open this up, I do actually want to take a look at the box design here, because Volume 7 is a fresh start, and it's definitely a fresh start design. This is a really nice looking new box now. I love all the different stationary bits down on the bottom there. That's the right side of it. This has a DX on it because this is a Deluxe Edition, so yes, this is going to be the first special edition we take a look at. And there is the bottom of the box. So, let me grab my scissors, cut this, and we'll take a look inside. Alright, let's take a look at the first box of 2021. So, again, this is the Deluxe Edition, so this has, I think, 3 or 4 extra items in there. Here's a look at what is inside. And again, I'll scan this in so you can take a look. Actually, I'm going to guess this is just for the Deluxe, these 2 extra items. And perhaps I'll have a regular sheet in here. Hi, Gigi. No we don't, but wow, we have a lot of stuff to take a look at in here. Ho ho! So here's the free gifts. Looks like 2 inks, some clips, and a pen. And here is everything in the box. Oh, this was worth it. Alright, let me open this up and we'll take a greater look. Alright, so we have some cool free goodies starting the year off. We have 2 inks. One, of course, is a Pilot Iro Shizuko. This is the Susuji color, which looks like kind of a pinkish color. We have a Sailor Manyo ink. This is Yomogi, which looks kind of like a bluish green. This is actually kind of a neat little pen. This is a Pilot High-Tech C pen. Let's see if we can actually focus on that. That's a little better. This is a 0.2 millimeter nib, and it does look like this is actually refillable, which is kind of cool. We have some San-Kei Ligne clips, some good binder clips. Then we have a Maruman sort of loose leaf sample kit, and that's what's in there. Let me put this to the side, and we'll take a look at the rest of what's in the first box of the year. Alright, so on to the goodies that just come in the box. So, first off, we have a Diamine fountain pen ink bottle. Apparently this is the same ink that Barack Obama would use, so that's pretty neat. We have a Dia grid memo pad. We have a bunch of Mossery stuff here. We have a 12 calendar cards, so you got a card with the design. There's a little bit that they all go into. You have some stickers to go with the weekly planner that they have here. This is actually a very nice design. I like that color a lot. And then finally, we have this Kaweiko pen that apparently this is a collector's edition color, and this is actually a fountain pen. Put it together like that, which is kind of neat. It came with a sticker, a tiny little ink bit. Let's see if we can get that. There you go, so that's the ink and the warranty card. So, very cool little thing there. I actually like that pen design a lot. So there you have it. That is the first Maido in a box of this year. Thanks for watching.